Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if OnePlus Nord CE Lite comes with a USB cable in the box. Here you can see that it's a OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let's open this box by lifting the lid and put it on the side here. And the first thing we see is a black box which we can take out, and under it is our phone. There's nothing under it, but let's check the box. I'm putting the phone aside for now and open this box. Let's take all of the things out. Nothing's left inside, and the first thing we see is a USB cable Type A to Type C, both male ends. So OnePlus Nord CE Lite comes with a USB cable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.